Auto insurance for teen drivers. Imagine this. Your teenage driver's first fender bender. No parent wants to get this call, but it's a reality many face. At Vermost Insurance Agency, we're here to make sure this isn't just a lesson learned, but a situation well handled. Ensuring your peace of mind is at the heart of what we do. We provide comprehensive protection tailored to each family's needs, especially when it involves new drivers. Florida state minimums are just the starting point. Personal injury protection, or PIP coverage, and property damage liability are essential, but they don't cover all costs associated with an accident. Cutting corners on coverages like medical payments or uninsured motorist might seem appealing for saving a few dollars, but the real cost could be much higher. Instead, let's explore safer, smarter ways to manage insurance costs without sacrificing the safety and security of your young driver. Let's explore the essential coverage options that help secure your family's peace of mind. Uninsured motorist coverage protects young drivers in the case they're hit by someone without insurance or with insufficient coverage. This ensures that their medical bills and what your child is legally entitled to recover from the at-fault party. Comprehensive and collision coverage. This covers the repairs or replacement cost if your teen's vehicle is damaged, whether it's due to an accident, vandalism, or natural disaster. It's crucial when considering the expense of repairs or replacement. An umbrella policy. This offers additional liability protection above and beyond the standard policy, which is vital given the higher risk and expenses associated with teenage drivers. This extra coverage helps safeguard your family's assets if your teen is involved in a costly accident. At Vermost Insurance Agency, we're more than just an insurance provider. We're your partner in protecting what matters most. Call one of our trusted insurance advisors today at 727-748-2886 to ensure your family's journey is safe and secure.